Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Globally over 10 million people are suffering from corneal blindness, often due to injury, infection or disease. And many of them live in countries where donor tissue is extremely scarce. But for them, there's a good news. Scientists at Newcastle University have done something truly revolutionary. They have successfully 3D printed a human cornea. Yes, they have successfully 3D printed a human cornea. That means this research work was led by Professor Che Connon and his team. Okay, they worked together and they achieved it. They have successfully 3D printed a human cornea. So you know that since a printer was used, no doubt it's a 3D printer, that means ink is required for the purpose of printing. And the ink used in this purpose is called bio ink. This is actually 3D bioprinting. So bio ink is required, and in this case, in the case of printing cornea, they used a mixture of living stem cells, alginate and collagen. These materials mimic closely to the structure of natural cornea. Okay. Anyway, so they used all these things, and one more thing, they engineered the bioink in such a way that it was printable and it was supporting for the growth of living cells. And once printed, it remained transparent. That is required. Cornea must be transparent. So after printing, okay, the cornea remained transparent. It retained its structural shape. Means structure of the cornea retained its shape, the required shape. And most importantly, the cornea, printed cornea, stayed alive and viable. And these are what? These are the requirements. Okay, that means we can expect that in the coming future, means future is very close. We can say that way, that the people suffering from corneal blindness, there is a good news for them. In that case, donors won't be required at all. The requirement of donors could be totally eliminated. Okay, of course there is one requirement, widespread use of this technology is requirement. Since there are still so many challenges associated with this technology, that's why still this is not a widely available technology. Anyway, scientists are working on this to make it widely available. Some problems are still there. Okay, some challenges are still there. Anyway, we can easily celebrate this success right now, because not only cornea, here in this video we are talking about only cornea. Actually, scientists have so far successfully 3D printed many things like a liver, like heart. Okay, actually their target is to print all the organs of human body. Okay, this is their target. And if you observe carefully the success stories of scientists in this field, in the field of 3D printing, in the field of 3D bioprinting, then you can easily guess that everything according to our requirement could be printed by using those 3D printers. Anyway, so this was all about today's video. And one more thing I have missed to mention here, that remarkable thing, that revolutionary thing, they printed that human cornea in just less than 10 minutes. Yes, in just less than 10 minutes they have done this thing. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. If you found this video informative. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, so this is the end. Thanks for watching.